Thanks for stopping by, GF Explorers. Today I'm going to make chicken salad. I so love chicken salad. And if you roast your own chicken, which if you check out our video, we'll show you how to do it, it's a great use for the breasts, which typically I don't like to eat on their own. I really like to save them for chicken salad. It's quick and easy. You can either use a pre-roasted chicken, like if you get one at Costco, which is really the only gluten-free roasted chicken I know of. If you know of a different one, let me know. Never says gluten-free on the ones at Kroger or even at Sprouts, so I don't go near them. Or you can buy some chicken tenders, cook them up for chicken salad. You have a lot of different options. And today I am starting from the chicken breast from, like I said, the chicken we just roasted. So let's jump right in. In my bowl I have mayonnaise and some Simple Truth plant-based sour cream, which is at the moment my favorite. I am going to be doing some more investigating, see if I can find any better options out there. But for now, it's really good. And the next thing we need to do is slice our chicken breast. So we've got this slice, so I'm going to go ahead and slice this one. But for the chicken salad, I am actually taking off the skin. I do not want the skin in the chicken salad. Now, I may eat that skin later. I'm just going to say, and I'm not embarrassed to say that I might, because it looks really good. Okay, so the skin is coming off this guy. First, we're going to slice like this. Oh my goodness, it smells so fantastic. Okay, so now we're both sliced in one direction. So now I'm gonna, and you can cut these pieces as large or as small as you like. I like them pretty tiny for a chicken salad, so I'm cutting them how I like them. Okay, one down, one to go. I'm going to put the chicken in the bowl with the mayonnaise and the sour cream. And another option, which we do this sometimes, if we don't eat a thigh or a leg of the chicken we roasted, we'll throw some dark meat in here too. It just gives it a little bit different texture and flavor, which I really like. But if you like completely white meat in your chicken, then go ahead and stick with that. That's perfectly fine. So I have the chicken and the mayonnaise and the sour cream in here, and I'm going to mix it up to tell if I need any more mayonnaise or sour cream. And actually the amount I chose looks really good with this amount of chicken, so I think we're good to go. So earlier I chopped up some red onion and some celery, and I'm going to sprinkle that in one at a time till I get to what I feel is a really good distribution based on my likes. And when you make your own chicken salad, you get to do it your way, however you like it, or however your family likes it. But Rich and I kind of like things the same way. I'm going to add a little bit more celery, just a smidgen more onion. Okay, I think we're good there. Now I am going to add a little bit of finely chopped parsley. I like the flavor it brings, and I also like the look to get as much green in here as possible. Okay, mixing that up. That's good. And now a little bit of Worcestershire. And I'm going to put all that in. And some Dijon mustard. And I'm going to put half of that in right to start with. And then, of course, what I put in almost everything I make, a little drop of fish sauce. Mix this up. Even though the chicken was seasoned nicely when we roasted it, I know this is going to need some salt because we added the mayonnaise and the sour cream. I don't even have to taste it. I'm going to just go in and put a little bit of salt in here now and add some pepper. Okay, stir it up a little more. Okay, now I like to add some fresh tarragon, a very little bit of it. It's a very strong flavor and adds an interesting taste to the chicken salad that I like, and both Rich and I like it. Now, if you don't like tarragon, don't add the tarragon. But you could also add some fresh thyme or some fresh rosemary in here. That would just give it an added flavor. Okay, so let's take our first taste and see if we need to add anything. Oh, that's really good. Oh, I think I might have to see if it needs a little bit more salt. Gotta try again. Very creamy. Oh, that's good. Now I have a little bit of tarragon left in my bowl, and I like to add it very slowly because it is a stronger flavor. I don't have a lot in here really. So I added that in just to give it a little more. Okay. No double dipping. I'm grabbing a new spoon every time I try. But you know what I am going to add? I feel like I want more pepper before I even taste this again. Mix it up. Get my spoon out of here. Okay, one more try. Oh yeah, that's perfect. One last thing. I've got a lemon here. Just going to hit it with a very little bit of lemon. This is going to really brighten up all the flavors, add a nice acidity to kind of counter the fat in the mayonnaise, the lovely, glorious fat in the mayonnaise, which, if you've been watching long enough, you know is my favorite food. Okay, so let's see what that did. Oh yeah, I've definitely brightened it up. Oh my goodness, this is so good. So how do you eat this? Out of the bowl is not a problem. I'm not judging anybody who does that. I do that occasionally, not all the time. I love to get a little bit of this on a plate with some gluten-free crackers and just kind of scoop it up with the crackers. That's one way. I also love to put it on a bed of greens, even with some tomatoes, and make an actual salad out of it. Or old school chicken salad sandwich. Put it on some bread, put it on a hoagie roll, put it on a dinner roll, put it on any type of gluten-free bread you can find. That would be amazing too. So there you have it. Really simple, make like you like chicken salad. So the next time you roast a chicken, make sure you make some chicken salad. And the full recipe, a link to it will be in the description below. And you can find all of our recipes at gfexplorers.com. And until next time, happy eating.